NET or B.Ed, which one is better for you? General line the my masing tamiwa my mana either graduation or post graduate mana most commonly hang wahang say should I go for NET or should I go for B.Ed? Most commonly hang wahang na khalay. Other ngasigi video sida NET and B.Ed ani sige difference career opportunities and which one has the better employment scope. Either NET or B.Ed animaksi teaching as a career sanction nabaidamukta sangba qualification amakhane but in different sectors. Han the NET habsi karima habsi hana khamunasi. NET is not an academic degree. It's not a course. It's a qualifying exam. So NET taragadi you are eligible to apply for guest lecturer, assistant professor in colleges or universities for UG and PG courses. Adi mathakta NET taragadi you can go for research. Research to BI. NET eligibility taragadi it requires a master's degree. As of now, the master's degree. Master's law doing that house appearing but generally I have master's degree in higher as of now. 4th year UG degree lakre. Sige matung the ahong bahar lap jay mag eligibility criteria da. So NET ki focus se higher studies maso research to in people. Mathang the B.Ed kari no yam se. Full form of B.Ed is Bachelors of Education. May amay kang ko. So unlike NET, B.Ed is an academic degree. B.Ed is a degree course. Mas is sahi ani ki degree course ne. Aduga B.Ed tamna bi eligibility haragana nang graduate hoye school level the wazawa yaha taragadi either in primary the relaxation kara lai adu bai am sunta lagi school education ai hajarage primary oiro TGT oiro or PGT oiro. So B.Ed is mandatory. So the focus of B.Ed is school teaching and educational practice. Mathang the career opportunities of NET. NET certificate holders in some way university the college the wazawina some way are. And besides that, research and PhD pursuit of garage we are. Academic think tank mayam moy bayam ko ajere. And for B.Ed graduates, they can apply for school teachers either government sector or private sector teaching in coaching centers, edutech, or school administration, career opportunities. The key difference is that NET is just a certificate which gives you the eligibility to teach in higher education sector, and B.Ed is a academic degree which you require for school teaching. That is just an exam plus certificate, and B.Ed is a 2-year degree course. That's all. Next, question, which one has the better employment scope? So as per my opinion, B.Ed has the wider employment opportunities. Maram di kari no have schools either government or private or they are everywhere. In villages or in cities, comparatively. And comparatively, there is huge demand for teachers at primaries, secondary and higher secondary level. Coaching centers and private tuition centers. Moina B.Ed ke employment opportunities ida hena kahaini scope to hengat level. Sigma nadara NET ke demo my scope se more specialized social level, fiction level. I am among the higher than comparatively there are fewer positions which are limited to colleges and universities. But apart from that, it offers prestige and research opportunities. So which is better for you? And then I think is a animal university in the research the careers plus academic the long term growth then you can go for NET. Teaching profession is the faster entry through the And if you want a stable career with wider opportunities in school, then you go for B.Ed. Either nang net thage hana khalo na B.Ed thage hana khalo. Adi nang paamisi teaching as a career sanjin madun ne ko. Adi ani se karam khan ga hai tara kadi. You have to be clear. School level tamning ira natragana college or university level tamning ira hai to. Adi matung na nangi motive to yam thir clear or matung da khalo. Ani magloi phai phatawa mata laite. Mathang da amo hangri wang jina ko. Can we do both? Ani mag net su thaba B.Ed su tamba ya version. Yes, of course, yai. Mi ma'am tong nei. B.Ed oraga net thaba lai, do PhD to lai. Ma'am lai. PhD or B.Ed to su lai. Ma'am lai. So ani mag tawra di hoy. That gives more flexibility. Natra. Loisal lak pada hai tuje. Net, there is a certificate that gives you the eligibility to entry to higher education sector. It's limited, but it's prestigious. B.Ed is an academic degree. It gives you the broader employment scope in schools and education sector. Which is better? It depends on your interest and your career vision. Kari tawning have done clear way. Aduga, and the sana choose the either net or B.Ed. So which one do you feel has more scope for you? Net or B.Ed? Comment below. Bye.